My moment of clarity was really just sitting behind, the wheel of my car, just staring at a windshield, going the wrong way. I was going away from my family, and I didn't want to do that anymore. I wanted to take everything I had learned and apply that in other companies because I realized I'm not the only one, because we all have similar type problems. Well, I'm Andy Million. I am the growth coach of Greater DFW. I love helping companies recognize how they can find different ways to grow their business in a sustainable way while still finding a way to balance their personal life with their business life. Time management is critical for every business. Again, there's only so many hours in a day. Regardless of what we think we can flex up and down, there's only so much you can do in a given day. When we also think about the folks you have on your staff, it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go in and lop heads and, oh, this person's in the wrong job and all of that. No, what we're going to do is take a look at what are their skill set, what is their job description, and then we'll also look at what do they want to do. Marketing is far more than just, here's my brand, look how shiny it is. It's also educating your consumer and letting them know, I'm here and I provide this need, and this is what differentiates me from everyone else. Another important item on sales is everyone who works for your company is a salesperson, period. There is no other conversations on that. You should be always talking about the services the company provides, the new things that we're working on, as well as gathering feedback from the customer, trying to understand, well, how can I better meet your needs? I've got 20 plus years in the recurring revenue services, focused primarily on making sure customers succeed, one customer at a time. That's what I'm bringing to the table. And just seeing the satisfaction that we've had doing that. It's fun. It's genuinely a lot of fun. The easiest way to get a hold of me is just call me. I'm one of those few coaches who picks up his phone every time you call. Number is 214-701-5152. I'd love to sit down and have a coffee.